Energia Park is an integral part of the Leinster story. It has a long history across the professional and the amateur game. It's home to both the Leinster women's team but also the pre-academy, who are put through their paces here on a daily basis. And it's a busy stadium. It's a host to lots of fixtures, including the women's interpros, the Leinster A games, Energia AIL fixtures, our prestigious schools competition and the club underage rugby finals also.
Working with Leinster has been hugely beneficial for Energia. We've been partnered with them since 2018. We are official energy partners to both the men's and the women's teams, and we're also the title sponsor of Energia Park. We've worked with them on a number of initiatives, from promoting inclusivity in rugby, which is Rugby for All, and then also further promoting our other partnership of Seachtain na Gaeilge le Energia. Leinster approached us a couple of years ago and asked us to become part of their sustainability journey. So part of that has been working with them here in Energia Park for an energy efficiency lighting upgrade. It's been fantastic getting to work with them and also really getting to see the impact that it's had on Energia Park and the community that it services here.
Well, as an organisation, we're always looking at ways to try and reduce our carbon footprint. And with this new lighting technology installed now, we've taken a big step forward towards reducing our overall environmental impact. We replaced the floodlights on the pitch and replaced all the older light fittings across the whole stadium with new LED fittings approved by World Rugby. This reduced the number of fittings in the stadium from 146 down to 72. These new lighting systems not only have a much longer lifespan than the previous ones, but they also reduce the energy emissions of the overall stadium, saving an estimated 120 tonnes of carbon per year. We've seen a notable improvement from using the floodlights for all night sessions on the pitch, and the stadium looks much better as well.
The lighting upgrade that we've carried out here is really going to make for a better experience for the players on the pitch and also for the fans in the stand.
It's been fantastic dealing with Energia. They took over the entire process from start to finish and really took all the stress and effort away from us, from paperwork and on-site deliveries right through to the finished product which we see today. So we're delighted and we really enjoyed working with Energia on this project.